Welcome, fellow adventurers, to an exhilarating journey through the vibrant landscapes and cultures of South America. As we bid farewell to the old year and welcome the new, join us on a unique New Year's celebrating tour like no other. Our adventure begins in the rhythmic heart of Brazil, where the iconic Copacabana beach in Rio de Janeiro transforms into a sea of white-clad revelers. Feel the energy of samba, witness the dazzling fireworks, and immerse yourself in the electric atmosphere of Brazil's New Year celebrations. From the heat of Brazil, we journey to the icy landscapes of Patagonia, marvel at the towering peaks of Torres del Paine National Park, where the tranquility of nature provides a serene backdrop for reflection and celebration. Next, our adventure takes us to the tango-filled streets of Buenos Aires, Argentina. Explore the historic neighborhoods, experience the passion of tango, and toast to the new year amidst the elegance of this vibrant city. As we continue our South American odyssey, we arrive in Valparaíso, Chile, a city renowned for its street art and bohemian charm. No New Year's celebration is complete without a touch of magic. And that's precisely what the Galápagos Islands in Ecuador offer. Sail through crystal-clear waters, surrounded by unique wildlife, and welcome the new year in the pristine beauty of this natural wonder. Join us on this unforgettable New Year's celebrating tour, where every moment is a celebration of life, culture, and the breathtaking wonders of South America. Get ready for an adventure of a lifetime as we explore the rhythms of Brazil, the majesty of Patagonia, the elegance of Argentina, the charm of Chile, and the magic of the Galápagos Islands. Your South American New Year awaits. Read a new article about Winter Christmas Tour in South America on the Private Guide World platform.